And welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. So if this is your very first time, welcome. And if you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I am so excited that you are back. All right, we're gonna jump right into it because for this video we are here for a good time, not a long time. All right, so we are going to be doing our 1 week check-in. I have really already done the numbers because I really seriously don't want to be here for a long time. It's late at night again. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna do better. I promise I'm gonna do better for myself. And we're gonna go over what bills have been paid so far. And yeah, you should be doing a check-in on your budget. It's uber important. When you're first beginning, you should be checking in every day if you can, if not every other day, at minimum once per week, to make sure that you are on track. And if you need to make any adjustments, you can definitely do that. You can pull back, XYZ, etc. All right, so I got paid on the 15th, and what was paid, my tax bill was paid, life insurance was paid. I'm not gonna hold you, I don't remember if I paid my personal loan because it was my birthday on that day. I wasn't responsible and I didn't pay all my bills on my payday. And I went in right now to see if I did pay it, and the site is down. So I'm not gonna be able to check this until maybe tomorrow. And if I didn't pay it, then I will pay it at the time. It's just that where I have this at, it's in another credit union, and you know, it's a mess. So this is my calendar. Actually, I was just gonna go over everything here, but it really doesn't make sense. I can just go through everything right here. Okay, so what I was budgeting with $1,222.74. That was from my regular paycheck. I had a rollover of $551.09, and so I was budgeting with $1,773.83. I did give my tithes. I did pay my mortgage, and life insurance came right in on budget, $112.90. We already talked about the personal loan. Mastercard, I paid that. It was 30 bucks. Now my car insurance / home insurance went up significantly, $146.33. So I need to call them and see if there's a way that I can get this back down at $109. I was supposed to, well, this was supposed to be a deal because I went with them for my home insurance. So I feel like $146.33 is a lot. I'm 41 years old. Like, why am I paying $146 for car insurance? You know? So I thought the older you get, the less you pay. I've never paid $146 for car insurance. I have to do something about this. So I will give you guys an update about that. Macy's, $133.18 came in on budget. Amazon Prime, $16.15 came in on budget. Chase, $99 came in on budget. 24-hour fitness, this is an auto pay. This will be coming out on the 25th. Same as Hulu, this is an auto pay as well, $14.99. That will be coming out on the 28th. And then Solar, this came in on budget, $124.59. Same with my gas utility. So both of these are utilities, $46.62. And then my court bill is an auto pay as well. That comes out on the 28th. And then franchise tax, I have forgot about that bill. That did come out. It wasn't budgeted. That's why it's in red, and that was $50. So once we are done with this pay period, then I'll complete everything in. And then next is we're gonna go to our cash envelopes. So let me grab my wallet out so I can see how I have been doing. All right, this fancy wallet that I have here is from So Crafty Sana. So if you would like this wallet, which a lot of people do ask about it, it will be linked down below. So let's first see what we have in our grocery envelope. And I do want to create like a check-in sheet. Once I'm done creating it, then I'll be able to provide it to you guys to be able to use when you're doing your check-ins and your closeouts. So I'm just gonna write on here how much money I have spent for the week, okay? Or 1 weekend rather. Well, I guess you could say, yeah, for the week. So in groceries, I have left, I bought a lot of meat. I was running low on meat, so I got my meat back up. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for checking me when I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to eat out. And y'all was like, girl, stop playing. Go on and get you some meals you can throw in the oven. And that's what I did. And y'all was right. Y'all was right. Y'all don't play. Y'all keep me on Trizak, okay? All right. So I have left 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I'm going to take 150. And so I have spent 115. So I'm going to put here, this is how much money I spent in groceries. And there's a few things like I need to re-up on water and like some vegetables and stuff. Eating out, I didn't give myself anything. Household, I have $30 left here, and I originally had $50, so I spent 20, right? Yeah, I spent $20 in household. And then for toiletries, there's some coins in there. So this is $16 in toiletries. And I need to get some more lotion. Like I am really lacking lotion. But that's because I committed to use what I have instead of just like keep buying and hoarding. So I've pretty much used a lot of what I have, and I kind of need to re-up now at this point. So 50 minus, what is this, 16? So $34 is what I spent. And then yeah, so I actually really need to there's some other stuff I need to get to, like toiletries wise. And then I think that's pretty much it for the envelopes. Now for gas, I spent a lot of money in gas already. I thought I wrote it down. Let's calculate it for gas. So gas here is 67, 16 plus 72, 34 plus gas has really gone up. So 195.22 is what I have spent. And as you can see, I'm definitely over budget. Gas has really gone up. I think I'm paying like $5 something per gallon, just regular unleaded, and that's at Costco. So that'll tell you that gas is going up. I thought gas goes down in the winter time and up in the summertime, but that's definitely not what I'm experiencing. All right, so I'm just gonna put my good old sticky note here. And car registration definitely came in. I spent, let me tell y'all how much I spent. I was a little bit over budget there. So first of all, I had to pay a fee to even pay with my debit card. So it was $612. What I had saved, I put it in the bank. It was $291 plus the $612. And then I had to renew my license, which I forgot that I needed. Well, I didn't know I needed to renew my license because they didn't send me anything. And I had went somewhere and they were like, oh, your license is about to expire. So I was like, oh shoot. So I needed to do that. That was $41. And then I had to pay 87 cents to pay that. So they got me, y'all. They got me. They really got me, especially because I didn't know I needed to renew it. Now, I also am going to need to be renewing my passport soon, so I'm going to need to start saving for that. So I will actually write all of that in, and for the closeout. I'm not going to write it in here. I probably should, but I'm not going to do that on camera. And then for saving, I didn't save anything out of my paycheck because I didn't have much left to roll over. I took my savings from my side hustle money. So if you didn't check that video out, you definitely should. But we are looking pretty good. I haven't done any overspend, well, besides what we have gone over, but as far as like my envelopes, which I've really been trying to curb that spending, and I've been doing a really great job. So I'm excited about that. Now let's go over to see how we're doing for the no spend for September. And I am doing pretty good. The only thing that the only days that I spent money was on Monday the 4th. I went to go see that new movie with Denzel, and then I had a little pre-birthday turn up that I kind of didn't know I was gonna have to spend money. But outside of that, been doing pretty good. I have one more week, so I'm super excited about that. It's been working. I'm definitely doing it for October. So if you are interested, please make sure that you guys get the no spend workbook, because it's gonna walk you through the process of having a successful no spend. It's flexible, so you can make your own rules, but you will be successful in the end. And so this is a digital download, and you can find it. It is linked down below. And this here is basically, I started to keep a log of how much money I would have spent if I wasn't on a no spend. And I will tell you that when I first started, as you can see here, 9597, I was gonna eat out one day, and then I was gonna get some perfume samples. I was gonna get the Gold Mine and Cocoa calendar. After writing it down, I noticed that the urge to spend started to go away because I wasn't spending and I was documenting it. But anyway, that is it for this 1 week check-in. I am faring pretty good. And that is pretty much it. The debt-free video will be coming out. I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna be making my first debt payment. I got some really good content for you guys coming up that I think that you guys will like. And if there is nothing else, I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.